Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at Vessi sneakers. Now, I generally don't cover footwear. This is a tech channel, but the fact that these are sneakers that are completely waterproof, I found intriguing. And Vessi did reach out to me, asked if I would be interested in checking out one of their pairs, and I said sure. So the pair you're about to see is the Weekend. Marble white is the color, and I think these retail for around 155 US dollars. I'll include a link in the description. They are made in China, but Vessi, I believe, is based out of Canada. And again, they make an entire line of sneakers that are completely waterproof. So as they say right here, rain or shine, adventure awaits. They give you some clouds and some raindrops. Cute packaging, and the goal is really simple. They want to deliver a shoe that looks like a traditional sneaker, but that it is totally waterproof. So here again we have the Weekend, and I will be covering these and getting back to you on what I think of the actual comfort, because these are like a woven material essentially, but they are completely water resistant. So from what I've seen, you could dip this all the way into, I can go do this in my pool. I don't have to wait for it to rain, even though it's been doing plenty of that lately in my neck of the woods. And your foot is going to stay dry. So pretty cool. That's why, in my opinion, they do qualify as some form of technology, because we've got a sneaker that acts like a rain boot. And I have to say, they have several different designs. This was the one that I felt was most compelling of the different designs they have. Go ahead and pull them both out. See what else they included. So we've got the sneakers here, and looks like they gave us an option on laces. That's pretty much it. I'm not seeing anything else here, but still a cool product. And I mean, when you think of the cost at 155 US, they are not inexpensive, but there's a reason I said yes to checking these out, because I thought it was incredibly cool. These, in my opinion, in their lineup, look the most like traditional sneakers. The feel is like a woven fabric, but at first glance, a lot of the other makes that they have, the models, I should say, remind me more of like just running sneakers that look like aqua socks with, shoelaces. These, on the other hand, they're called the Weekend for a reason. I don't know their specific reason, but in my opinion, it's because they look like regular casual sneakers. So we'll see what the feel is like, the comfort. Hopefully we got the size right here, because I don't know how they run, but I'll let you know how they run. And it just, again, it's a really clean shoe. You can throw these in the washing machine. For me, this is kind of ideal to take the dog out, go to the dog park, know that the shoes are going to get pretty gross in the dog park, and then know that if I want to throw these into my washing machine on a sanitized cycle, I can do that and not worry about them falling apart, at least to my knowledge. So pretty cool, and that's why I agreed to cover them on the channel, because this is a form of technology. And for those of you that follow my channel, you already know that I'm all about tech in every facet possible, at least that I find interesting, and that hopefully translates to something interesting for all of you. So again, these are the Vessi Weekend completely waterproof shoes. You can literally submerge these and you will not get wet, which I look forward to testing out. But pretty cool. And again, a link will be in the description. They have several different styles, several different colors. It's kind of tough for me to choose on this one. I went with white, knowing that they're going to get dirty, but also knowing, like I said, you can throw these directly into a washing machine without any concern. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. And please stay safe. And in this case, dry. Later.